Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add GitHub in VsCode. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, now you will be needing just to go to your VsCode and from there we will be needing to add GitHub into it. So first, make sure that you have already your account that is logged in and it's not really necessary. We can log in after you add your extension. So the most important part to add or to include GitHub into your VS Code, you will be needing just to go to the extensions. So basically from the extensions, we will be needing just to search for GitHub. And from here, you will find the certified uh, GitHub extension. And simply you can or you can simply create your projects using GitHub or by cloning your repositories. So here in the Explorer, we can be able to click on clone repository. So basically, as you can see, there is already a remote source that we have here. You can clone from GitHub. And basically, GitHub can be uh, added or can be included into our VS Code, and you will be needing to have the GitHub desktop uh, application. So by having GitHub desktop, you will be able to start having it in VS Code, and simply you will be needing to log in. If you've never logged in and authenticate in GitHub, you will be required or you will be redirected to a GitHub authentication. Otherwise, you will start seeing all your own uh, repositories from here and projects. And by that, you can simply click on any project and it will start cloning it directly. And by that, you can uh, link GitHub to VS Code. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.